In this video, I will teach you how to divide numbers using long division. So, let's get right to it. Long division is the step-by-step process of dividing a number, called a dividend, by another number, called a divisor, to get the solution, called the quotient, and the remainder if it exists. Long division is shown in the following format. To use long division, there are just 3 simple steps. Let's do an example to show you these steps. Let's say we want to divide 635 by 5 using long division. Step 1. Divide the first digit of the dividend, which is 6, by the divisor, which is 5, to get the first digit of the quotient, which is 1 with a remainder of 1. Step 2. Multiply the digit of the quotient from step 1 by the divisor to get 5. Then subtract this result from the first digits of the dividend to get 1. Then move the next digit of the dividend, which is 3, down. This will give us 13. Step 3. Just repeat the same process from steps 1 and 2 until you reach the end of the dividend. Then take the remainder if it exists. So, divide 13 by 5 to get 2 with a remainder of 2. Then multiply 2 by 5 to get 10, and therefore subtract 10 from 13 to give us 3. Then move the next digit 5 down to give us 35. Repeat the same process again. Divide 35 by 5 to get 7 with a remainder of 0. Then multiply 7 by 5 to get 35, and therefore subtract 35 from 35 to get 0. Since we cannot divide any further, we have finished this long division. Therefore, the answer is 127. Let's do another example. Let's say we want to divide 981 by 4 using long division. First, we divide the first digit, which is 9, by 4 to get 2, with a remainder of 1. Then we multiply 2 by 4 to get 8, and therefore subtract 8 from 9 to get 1. Then we move the next digit 8 down to get 18. Repeat this same process again and divide 18 by 4 to get 4 with a remainder of 2. Then multiply 4 by 4 to get 16, and therefore subtract 16 from 18 to get 2. Then we move the next digit 1 down to get 21. Repeat this process again and divide 21 by 4 to get 5 with a remainder of 1. Then multiply 5 by 4 to get 20, and therefore subtract 20 from 21 to get 1. Now we have reached the end of 981, and we cannot divide any further. So we take the remainder, which is 1. Therefore, the answer is 245 with a remainder of 1. Let's go through some more examples. Let's say we want to divide 2,634 by 7 using long division. Now, the first digit, which is 2, is smaller than 7, so we will use the first 2 digits, which is 26. Therefore, we divide the number 26 by 7 to get 3 with a remainder of 5. Multiplying 3 by 7 gives us 21, so we subtract 21 from 26 to get 5. Bring the next digit down, which is 3, to get 53. Divide 53 by 7 to get 7 with a remainder of 4. Multiplying 7 by 7 gives us 49, so we subtract 49 from 53 to get 4. Bring the next digit 4 down to get 44. Divide 44 by 7 to get 6 with a remainder of 2. Multiplying 6 by 7 gives us 42, so we subtract 42 from 44 to get 2. We have reached the end of number 2,634, and we cannot divide any further, so we take the remainder, which is 2. Therefore, the answer is 376 with a remainder of 2. Now, Let's say we want to divide 98,217 by 8 using long division. First, we divide the digit 9 by 8 to get 1 with the remainder of 1. Multiplying 1 by 8 gives us 8, so we subtract 8 from 9 to get 1. Bring the next digit 8 down to get 18. Divide 18 by 8 to get 2 with the remainder of 2. Multiplying 2 by 8 gives us 16, so we subtract 16 from 18 to get 2. Bring the next digit 2 down to get 22. Divide 22 by 8 to get 2 with the remainder of 6. Multiplying 2 by 8 gives us 16, so we subtract 16 from 22 to get 6. Bring the next digit down, which is 1, to get 61. Divide 61 by 8 to get 7 with the remainder of 5. Multiplying 7 by 8 gives us 56, so we subtract 56 from 61 to get 5. Bring the next digit 7 down to get 57. Divide 57 by 8 to get 7 with the remainder of 1. Multiplying 7 by 8 gives us 56, so we subtract 56 from 57 to get 1. We have reached the end of number 98,217, and we cannot divide any further. So we take the remainder, which is 1. Therefore, the answer is 12,277 with the remainder of 1. Finally, let's say we want to divide 47,186 by 13 using long division. Now, since 13 has 2 digits, we will use the first 2 digits of 47,186, which is 47. Therefore, we divide the number 47 by 13 to get 3 with the remainder of 8. Multiplying 3 by 13 gives us 39, so we subtract 39 from 47 to get 8. Bring the next digit 1 down to get 81. Divide 81 by 13 to get 6 with the remainder of 3. Multiplying 6 by 13 gives us 78, so we subtract 78 from 81 to get 3. Bring the next digit 8 down to get 38. Divide 38 by 13 to get 2 with the remainder of 12. Multiplying 2 by 13 gives us 26, so we subtract 26 from 38 to get 12. Bring the next digit down 6 to get 126. Divide 126 by 13 to get 9 with the remainder of 9. Multiplying 9 by 13 gives us 117, so we subtract 117 from 126 to get 9. We have reached the end of the number 47,186, and we cannot divide any further. So we take the remainder, which is 9. Therefore, the answer is 3,629 with the remainder of 9. I hope that everyone has learnt from this video. If you have learnt from this video, please leave a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.